In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and documents within projects in Basecamp. This process is straightforward and will help you make the most of Basecamp's collaborative features, ensuring your team has easy access to necessary materials. So let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where you intend to share your file. Basecamp's project organization is intuitive, so finding your desired project should be a breeze. Inside the project, look for the Docs and Files section in the project menu. This is where all the shared documents and files for the project live. Next, click on the plus new button. Here you'll have the option to either upload a file from your computer or create a new document directly within Basecamp. For uploaded files, Basecamp supports various types like images, PDFs, and Word documents, ensuring you can share almost any type of content you need with your team. Once you've selected your file, you'll want to add a descriptive title and any notes that can provide additional context for your collaborators. Think of these notes as a short explanation or essential tips that might help others understand the purpose or importance of the file. When you're ready, click the Post to the Project button. This action will upload your file, making it accessible to your teammates. Upon posting, your document will become a part of your project's documentation and will be readily available for future reference. Sometimes you might prefer to share a file without uploading it directly. For this, Basecamp allows you to link to external files like those stored on Google Drive or Dropbox. Instead of uploading, just paste the link to your file. To do this, head back to Docs and Files, click on plus new, and choose the option to link from external sources such as Google Drive. Here you'll need to enter the title, URL, and any additional notes that will accompany your link. Before finalizing your options, think about who should be notified about this new addition. Basecamp lets you control the notification settings, so you can select to inform just the person working on the project, everyone who can view the project, specific individuals, or no one at all. This flexibility ensures that the right team members are aware of new resources without overwhelming everyone with notifications. Once you've decided who will be notified, simply click on Post This. And there you have it, a seamless way to share files and documents within your Basecamp projects. By following these steps, you ensure that your team remains updated and equipped with the resources they need, all from a centralized location in Basecamp. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your team's collaboration.